Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video you can see many different and very unique ideas about lip glosses, lip products and with their shades and numbers. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your family, friends and other loved ones. Thank you. Today in this video, you can pick many ideas about lipsticks and their numbers, shade numbers, brand name, etc. If you want to add any style in your life, then this video will be very helpful and make your day about your lip makeup and lip makeup, any ideas about the lipsticks, lip brands and other charming lips products are also here. Today I will tell you lip makeup such as lipstick, lip gloss and lip stains offer several benefits that can enhance your overall appearance and boost your confidence. Here are some of the key benefits of the lip makeup. Enhance the lip color, adds the definitions, boost the confidence, complete the makeup look, moisturize and protects versatility, expression of the style and quick and easy applications are here in this video. One thing is, remember, while lip makeup offers numerous benefits, it's essential to choose products that are highly quality, non-toxic and suitable for your skin type to ensure optimal results and lip health. These steps are very essential for you and your lips and lips beauty. Boost your confidence. First of all, lip makeup enhance your confidence. Wearing the lip makeup can make you feel more put together and confident. A well-applied lip colors and stains can instantly transform your look, brighten your face look and draw attention to your smile. Complete makeup look. Lip makeup plays a crucial role in completing your overall makeup look. You all knows about that. It balanced and harmonies your facial features, complementing your eye makeup, blush and foundations. So, correct lip product is very important for you and your personality. So taking care to choose any product about lip makeup and lipsticks, shades, lip gloss, etc. Moisturizing and protection of the lips are very important. Many lips makeup products such as lipstick and lip balm contain moisturizing ingredients like oil, butter, vitamins. They help hydrate your lips, keeping them soft and preventing drynesses and chapping. Some lips products also provide SPF protection, shielding your lips from harmful UV rays. This video is very become helpful for you to choose the lip product for you and your personality. Thanks for watching.